Alright guys, filming this video for like the 5th time, so let's go out and then film this truck video as well. So this is my 2020 F150 XLT. That's on 6-inch lift kit. Alright, it's on a 6-inch lift kit on 22 by 12s, 35-inch tires. It's on TSM 544 MIBM, I believe. I did have a old grill. I changed it back to the stock one because I feel like it looks better like this. And I'm gonna get the other grill that has headlights all the way down here and then down here, so like match with the headlights. It'll go straight. And I do have a rough country. I don't know if you guys can see it. Rough country lift kit, 6-inch. And what else? This is the whole truck. I also do have a horn blaster. They're so much fun. If you guys want to get one, I definitely recommend. Just don't get pulled over. I haven't gotten pulled over yet, but yeah. The next thing I'm probably gonna do is buy an exhaust. And then, I don't know. I've done too much to it, so I don't know what else I want to do to it. But yeah, so if you guys do want to get a 6-inch lift kit, it will definitely fit. And if you guys want to get 35s, 22 by 12, you guys do have to trim this right here, crash bar, and then this back crash bar. And then you do guys have to trim the bumper a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see. I still rip a little bit when there's people in the car, but you guys should be fine alone. It's not too much, but yep, this is the whole truck. If you guys want to see more videos in detail, let me know. I'll definitely be posting more.